Prime Day is usually the time when we see a lot of discounts, but not every deal actually feels worth your money. And when it comes to smart homes, the goal is not just to buy more gadgets. The goal is to make everyday life a little easier, a little cleaner, and a little more convenient. So today we are looking at some of the best smart home deals available right now. Some help with cleaning, some improve security, and a few can completely change how much work you have to do around the house. More importantly, these are products where the discount actually makes the value much more interesting. Let's get started. At just $43.99, down from $54.99, the OWKAR portable vacuum sealer is one of those small gadgets that can save money long term. For less than $45, you get a compact cordless vacuum sealer, 32 reusable bags, sealing clips, USB-C charging, and enough battery life to handle more than 1,000 seals on a single charge. What makes it useful is how simple it is. Just press one button and it automatically removes air from food storage bags. If you meal prep, freeze ingredients, this can help food stay fresh much longer. It is a small smart kitchen upgrade, but one that you will probably use every week. Next up is the LEVOIT cordless vacuum cleaner for $139.98 after a 30% discount. This is aimed at people who want everyday convenience without spending premium flagship money. You get up to 50 minutes of runtime, a lightweight design, washable filters, and a tangle-resistant roller that helps with pet hair and long hair. What stands out here is balance. It is powerful enough for daily cleaning, easy enough to grab for quick jobs, and includes useful attachments for furniture, corners, and pet messes. For many homes, this is the type of vacuum that ends up replacing the broom because it is simply faster to use. Security products tend to get expensive quickly, which is why this deal stands out. For $69.99, down by a massive 56%, you get both the latest Ring Battery Doorbell and an Indoor Cam Plus. That means coverage outside your front door and inside your home for less than the price many brands charge for a single camera. You get 2K video, two-way communication, motion alerts, night vision, and flexible installation since the doorbell runs on battery power. If you have wanted to start building a smart security system without spending hundreds of dollars, this is probably one of the easiest entry points this Prime Day. The eufy 11S Max drops to $169.99, which is nearly 40% off. Now, this robot vacuum is interesting because it does not try to impress you with advanced apps or complicated features. Instead, it focuses on doing one thing well: cleaning your floors automatically. Its slim body fits under furniture easily, Boost IQ automatically adjusts suction when needed, and battery life can reach up to 100 minutes. For people who want the convenience of robotic cleaning without dealing with apps, maps, or Wi-Fi setup, this remains one of the simplest and most reliable choices in the category. A smart home is not only about convenience, it is also about awareness. And this blink-wired floodlight camera you are getting at $29.99 with 70% off from $99.99. You get 1080p video, two-way audio, color night vision, customizable motion zones, and Alexa support. For homeowners who want better driveway, backyard, or garage security, this type of device can often replace separate cameras and floodlights with one cleaner setup. The Yigars Y680 might be one of the biggest surprises on this list. It drops from $649.99 all the way down to $229.89. That is a 65% discount. For that price, you are getting features we usually see in much more expensive robot vacuums. There is self-emptying capability, laser navigation, app control, vacuuming and mopping functions, voice assistant support, and up to 70 days of hands-free cleaning. The biggest value here is automation. Once it maps your home and starts its schedule, there is very little you need to do. At under $230, it is difficult to ignore. If you own a pool, this might be one of the most advanced deals available this Prime Day. The AIPER Scuba V3 AI is discounted to $849.99 from nearly $1,400. While that is still a premium price, the technology here is genuinely impressive. Its AI camera identifies different debris types and navigates directly toward them. It can create weekly cleaning plans automatically, return itself for easy retrieval, and even uses ultrafine filtration to capture tiny contaminants. Pool maintenance usually takes time every week. This device is designed to remove most of that effort, which is exactly what smart home technology should do. Roborock has built a strong reputation in robot vacuums, and the Q7M5 Plus shows why. At $249.98, down from $359.99, you get a robot vacuum and mop with automatic dust collection that can go up to 7 weeks before needing attention. The headline feature is the powerful 10,000 pascal suction, but there is more than that. It uses LiDAR navigation for accurate mapping, supports app controls, includes anti-tangle brush technology, and can vacuum and mop at the same time. For busy households with pets, this is the kind of automation that quickly becomes part of your daily routine. Google's Nest Doorbell is available for $139.99, which is a solid discount from its usual $179.99 price. This is more than a standard video doorbell. It combines 2K HDR video quality with Google's latest AI-powered features through the Google Home ecosystem. You get detailed notifications, improved recognition capabilities, night vision, encrypted security, and direct integration with the Google Home app. Since it is wired, there are no batteries to recharge either. For anyone already invested in Google's smart home platform, this feels less like an accessory and more like a natural extension of the ecosystem. And to wrap things up, we have one of the most feature-packed smart home cleaning solutions currently available. The DREAME L60 Ultra FE drops to $749.99 from $999.99, and it is basically a glimpse into where home cleaning is headed. This is not just a robot vacuum, it is an entire automated floor care system. It can wash its own mop pads with hot water, dry them automatically, empty dust, refill water, recharge itself, and clean both hard floors and carpets with powerful 30,000 pascal suction. The extendable brushes and advanced docking station mean very little manual work remains. If your goal is maximum automation, this is easily one of the most complete smart cleaning systems available at a Prime Day discount. Those are 10 of the best Amazon Prime Day deals for smart homes this year. Whether you want better security, easier cleaning, or more convenience around the house, these discounts make a strong case for upgrading now rather than later.